Okay, so this is the trailer. I went in and actually opened the slides already, so as you can see, it's already been opened. It's kind of raining, so I kind of had to do that. So here is the inside of the trailer. Turn on lights. Some lights up there. It's kind of cool here because this bottom has a light. So 4-seater chair, the theater style recliners. You got nice sofa. This sofa turns into a queen size bed. Nice big windows. 50-inch TV. Fake fireplace, which is actually, I'm sure it comes in handy when it's nice and cold outside. Mom would love it. Little pantry. One little rinky-dink trash can there. Like a 3-burner stove. This is kind of cool. I kind of like the way this is set up. So nice big whirlpool or microwave. Whirlpool, French door, refrigerator. I can't figure out how that light comes on, so I'm gonna go check that later. So not really much under the sink, so a little bit of storage space in there. This one just kind of rolls off, so it's like a drying rack. So instead of having a drying rack there, I could use that. Little coffee station. That's where the coffee maker is gonna go. I got me a simple one for now, till I come back to Dallas and get my Nespresso. This is the bathroom. Turn light. There's the toilet. There's no toilet holder, so I gotta get one of those. Sink. This came off when I was yanking on it, because I think I didn't know it kind of goes like that, so I don't know what goes there. I'll fix that later. Little mirror. The shower. The shower is actually quite big. I mean, it's a little bigger than I thought. It's okay. A little storage space. Right. The bedroom goes down here. Queen size bed. Nice big window so you can see everyone, and everyone can see you, I'm sure. Each side has that little light. Similar there, and you get another one on that side. Drawers and cabinets, pretty big ones. Oh, there's a speaker down there. So, I think. Cabinet space. So you've got some more hanging, some hanging clothes can go there. Okay. More drawer in there. This is where actually a washer dryer could go. The problem is I have to remove the door if I bought one. So we'll just undecided on that one. Okay. Oh, there's storage under the bed. So you lift the bed. Ah, damn it. There. Little storage down there. Oh, shit. A little loud. Sorry. Okay. Let's get out of here. Upstairs. So this one has that loft. Right. And you go up there. And the thing is, like I said, oh, it's shorter than I thought. So the first bedroom on the left is kind of, I have like a little kid who can just go there. And then this side as well has 2 beds. So I use these areas as storage. Go back down. And basically that's it.